If you are wondering if we have AI tools available on OPPO Find X9, then the answer is yes. Many different apps have AI integrated within them in some way or another, and of course we have some basic AI tools that are available on many different new smartphones nowadays. For example, Gemini and Circle to Search, both of them are of course provided by Google, and they are available in here as well. Now, besides that, OPPO has some own AI tools that are integrated within the phone. Many of them are listed in settings. If we go to settings and scroll all the way down, you should be able to find this AI menu. Over here we can find, for example, the Mindspace, which is like a tool that allows you to create AI summaries based on the screenshots that you can take with the snap key, as long as you have Mindspace assigned to the snap key. And to make sure that the snap key actually has the Mindspace assigned to it, we can go to settings and choose snap key over here. And then you should be able to select snap to Mindspace. If you had to change it, of course, we need to tap on this button at the bottom of the screen. And over here, we can also find out that we can press the button in order to save the screen content and add it into the Mindspace. You can also press and hold in order to start recording an audio. And you can double press the snap key in order to open the Mindspace. Besides that, we have AI search over here. If you tap on this option, of course, we can make sure that it is enabled, and apparently it is a smart and efficient way to search for on-device content. So if I tap, for example, on search over here, if I try to find something like, let's say, I don't know, like brightness, if I type brightness, there we go. I'm not sure if this is where we can actually find it. There we go. At the top, we have this AI search that is trying to suggest us results, something that we might actually look for on our phone. Besides that, we also have the AI writer. Of course, we need to press agree and continue to use it. And over here, we can also find out what it does. So we can use the AI writer from the input method button and the bottom toolbar or the text editing menu. And it offers a wide range of features, including freestyle writing and the generation of social media captions and mind maps. We also have the AI translate option that is used to, I suppose, translate conversations. We can of course find the translate app in the app drawer, and this is the OPPO's translate app. This is not Google Translate. And of course in here we can use the camera. We can even use for live conversations in here. We can use for documents, for screen translation apparently as well. So that's quite cool. And apparently this is like a competition for Circle to Search, if I understand it correctly. We also have the AI voice scribe that is apparently used to summarize content from various media types into selected formats. Over here we can go to documents in order to be able to use this AI tool. We actually need to allow the access to files for the documents app. But over here we can see, for example, the translate documents and summarize documents. So I guess these are the AI tools. And apparently in the Photos app we can also find something for voice scribing, as it is called over here. And we have the AI recorder, so we can create live transcriptions in the recording app. We can find the recorder assistant that allows us to extract key information for a quick overview. We have AI summaries. We can share the link, which I don't think it's really an AI tool itself, but yeah, it is mentioned over here. All of these tools can be actually enabled and disabled, so if you don't want to use them, you can just simply turn them off, except for AI Translate, but this is actually built within the app, so I guess you can just not use the app if you don't want to. But like I said, many of these things can actually be found over here. We also have AI Service Engine, which is not really explained except for over here. So here we can read that it provides updates and running services for AI algorithm plugins. So yeah, apparently this is AI as well. And besides that, something that is not mentioned over here, we can actually find in the photo app over here, photos I mean, the original Photos app made by OPPO, not Google. In this case, if we start editing a photo, we can find AI Editor, where we have AI Recompose, AI Eraser, AI Relight, AI Perfect Shot. We can enhance the clarity, unblur a photo, and remove reflections. So nowadays, these are pretty basic tools that are also available on other devices. Competitors also have these tools integrated within them. Even Google itself provides many of these options, I believe. And I think we do have the Photos app, Google's one. Yeah, there we go. So I assume over here we can also find some AI tools as well. So we should be able to, for example, tap on the photo in order to find. Right now we are actually installing something, so I suppose I have to wait for that. But in actions we can find the magic eraser, the unblur option, move, and so on and so forth. As you can see, standard Google tools are indeed also still available on this phone in case you want to use them. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.